Hey, good morning, everyone. Can you confirm audible or not?
Yes, sir.
So, where we stopped in the last session, what we discussed. Hmm? What we discussed in the last session. Can you hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
So, what we discussed in the last session. Well, let me open our workspace folder. So, go to the Jupyter and Jupyter notebook. So, Jupyter. So, yesterday we discussed about flow controls, right? One is like sequential execution, how it is going to work. Another one is like conditional execution, and another one is like looping execution or not. Okay, these are common for any programming language. It's not only for Python. Okay, these execution, sequential, conditional, and looping, these are like common for any programming languages. Okay, so syntax is somewhat okay, something is like different. Okay, in Python, the syntax already we discussed. Okay, remaining languages, the syntax may be different, but the purpose, the process, and everything is like same. So let's go with the next level topic. The next topic is like operators. Okay, let me open the notebook. So you can select Python 3 untitled. Just you can write. Okay. So if like this, what's my answer? What's my answer for this one? Syntactically valid. Syntactically valid or invalid? This one is like syntactically valid or invalid?
Valid.
Okay, 100% is like valid, right? So the print hollow is going to print or not? Print hollow. This particular text is going to print or not print? Hmm? Simple.
Not print.
Not print, right? When you can go with the none. If there is no value, name is not having any value, name is not having any value. If condition is like fail or not, it's like true or false. False, that the reason it's not print. Okay, now if I write like this, what happened? Come on, if I write like this, what happened?
Print flow.
Again,
None is not defined.
name none is not defined or not? Name none is not defined. Why? Because none is not a predefined value. At the same time, none is not defined. Okay, so that it gives me an error. Name none is not defined or not. Make sure if you use like any predefined values, okay, you have to follow. Okay, these are like case sensitive, you can say exact names only you have to use, otherwise you can get like an errors. Okay, okay then. Any questions till yesterday? Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions? No. Okay then. Okay, now tell me, what is an operator in general? Okay, it is not like again, this topic also common for any technology. Okay, first tell me, what is an operator? What is an operator? Hmm? Syntactical, how it is looks like. You can take any programming language. What is an operator? Okay, these are the operators like plus, minus, and okay, or okay, how it is looks like. how it looks like. It's like normal symbols, right? Okay, operator is like what? It's a symbol. That's it. Simply, you can say like it's a symbol. It performs some operations, right? Yes or no? It is like a symbol. Okay, it performs some operations. You can say. Okay. Now, if I write like this, a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. If I write like this, now see, there has a plus symbol is there. Operator, you said like a symbol. So this one is like a operator, right? Plus is like an operator. What kind of operation it is going to perform? It is going to find the sum of a and b or not. A and b or not. So it performs some action. My operator performs some action on the variables or not. So A, B or like what? Variables or not. So here plus is a symbol. We can say terminology wise, it's like a operator. What about A? The operator which perform operations on A and B. Okay, this A and B terminology wise, what we can say? A, B terminology wise, what we can say? Terminology wise we can say like a operands. Okay, operands. This symbol we can say like an operator which performs some operation on operands. Okay, any number of operands you can add it, it's not a matter for us. Understood or not? If you perform an operation on only one operand, for example, my operand is like a. Okay, just you can add like a increment operator or decrement operator. Now see here, this one is like an operator and this is like a operand. Okay, now here, how many operands are there? How many operands are there? If my operator works with only one operand, now here a plus b. Now here my operator works with two operands or not? Two operands or not? Yes or no? Now if my operator works with three operands, if my operator is works with three operands, so terminology wise again, okay, it is common for any programming language. If my operator works with only one operand, that one we can say like a unary operator. Unary operator. Okay, now if my operator works with, my operator works with two operands, then that time we can say like a binary. If it is like three, then you can say like a ternary. Ternary. If my operand, okay, is like one, then that time you can say unary. If my operands are like two, then the time you can say like a binary. Terminology wise, don't think more about this one. If my operands are like three, then the time you can say like a ternary or not. Then the time you can say like a ternary. So here two things you have to remember terminology wise: what is operator, what is operand. Operator is nothing but it's a symbol. That's it. It is like a symbol. Okay, it performs some operations on operands or not. My operand may be one, maybe two, maybe three, maybe okay more than three also. So operator is a symbol. It performs some operations on operands. That's it. These two terminologies you have to remember. Okay, now can you tell me in C or Java? Okay, if you have an idea on C, what kind of operators we used usually in general? What kind of operators we are going to use? Arithmetic operator,
Arithmetic
right?
operations and
Yeah, arithmetic operators or not. Next,
conditional expressions.
arithmetic operator. Next, just now we told right, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. What is that one? What is that one?
Conditional operator.
Relational.
Okay, it's like a relational. Okay, next, and or not. These all are like logical operator. Yes or no? There has in Python increment and decrement also there. Increment, decrement operators also there. Next, you assign some value to one variable by using which symbol? Equal symbol. That is like a assignment operator or not. That is like a assignment operator. The next one, membership operator. In Python, this is the new one for us. Membership operator, up to here common for all. Any programming language you can take it. These are like common for all, but in Python, membership operator is there. The next one is like identity operator also there. Identity operator also there. Okay, so most of the times, okay, we used like these operators in Python. First five operators are common for any programming language. Any programming language common, but membership and identity is like specific to Python. Membership and identity is like specific to Python. Got my point? So tell me, arithmetic operators come under which symbol? Which symbols come under arithmetic operator? Come on, general. Plus,
Plus,
minus,
multiplication,
okay,
division.
division, multiplication, modulus. These all are come under arithmetic operators or not? Relational, relational.
Less than, greater than.
Okay, one is like less than. Okay, greater than, less than. Next,
Less than or equal
less
to.
than or equals to also there. Okay, greater than or equals to come under relational or not? Okay, what about logical?
And one, and or.
Yeah, here in JavaScript or in Java, we are using like what? Some symbols like this, right? Yes or no? But here the operator is not like a symbol. It's not like a symbol. Whatever the statements you said, operator is like a symbol. It's a general statement, but that particular statement is not applicable here. Logical operator, if you come, we have a reserved words over there. Can anyone guess? First today, keywords we discussed about the logical operators. Anyone remembered? And next,
R.
and the next one is like what? Or also,
R.
right? Or, okay, and or next one, not also, not. Okay, these all are come under logical operators or not. Okay, now here whatever the statement you said, what is operator? Operator is like a symbol, you said, right? Symbol. Okay, now you can use like a reserved words also. Reserved word also, general statement you can say like operator is like a symbol. Okay, if come to the end, it's not a symbol, right? Okay, reserved words also come under operators only. Increment and decrement, tell me. Okay, this one you know, increment and decrement. Assignment, assignment is like equal symbol, right? Assignment is like equal symbol or not? Okay, what about membership operator? Membership, membership operator, can anyone guess? It's also reserved word only. So in the name itself you can see you are like a, you are a member in that particular team or not? I want to know. You are like a member in that particular team or not? I want to check it. So how we can check? In the team, you are a member or not a member? So can anyone guess the reserved word?
In.
In, right? In.
Okay.
Okay, you are like a member in that particular team or not? Okay, that is like one is like in, another one is like negative condition. You are not a member or not? Okay, you are not a member. Okay, questioning. Come on, another one.
Yeah.
You are a member in that particular team. You are not in the member in the team or not? Yes or no? In, not in also you can use it. Membership operator. Okay, the next one. Come on, the next one. Identity operator, can anyone guess? Identity operator. Identity operator. Come on, identity in the name itself.
Is
Yeah, is right. Is A is B. Okay, A value is equals to B. Is right. Identity operator or not? Is my A is B. A value is equals to B. Is another one. Come on. Is the next one is like is not. Okay, negative. Okay, positive check and negative check is not. Okay, these come under identity and these come under membership. Understood? So can we write some examples now? Okay, you know this. Okay, one. Okay, example you can write it. Let's go to our Jupyter notebook. Write it. First A value 10, B value 20. Here nothing. Up to here, you know, what about this answer? A division B and A module B. What is the answer? Hmm? Can I write like a print statement here? If you not write the print statement, it is only execute the first one. Okay, just you can write the print statement. Otherwise, you can write step by step. The last statement is going to execute, not first statement. A minus B, you know. The next one is like A. This one also, you know. Next one, tell me. A by B. What is the answer?
0.5.
Okay, this one. Next, A percentage B.
0.
A percentage B
0.
by 0. The answer is like 10, right? A percentage B. Okay, always gives me the reminder, right? 20 zeros, 0. So reminder is what? Always 10 only, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? A percentage B always gives me the reminder. Yes or no? Okay, there are some other operators also there. Okay, we not use frequently, but you can check it. Yeah, this one also there. The next one. Okay, these also command operators only. Let me check in the chat GPT what exactly. So what is the prompt message here? Double slash and a double stop. Double slash operator in Python. Can anyone explain this? I seeing this one. Hmm? Come on. It's like a division only, but if you come here, where is that? What is my a value here? Okay, normal value can take it. 7 by 2. What's my answer? 3.5, right? Okay, but if I write like 7 divisible, okay, double division, then the time it's like what? 3. So what is the difference between this one and this one? If I write like 8 by 2, it's like 4 only. Okay, here 8, 2. Now it's also 4 only. What is the difference?
Point values will not calculate.
It's always gives me the floor value, right? Floor and seal. Floor value is nothing but what? For example, 3.5, 3.6, 3.9 is there. Okay, it is like rounded to, okay, 3 only. Floor value. Seal is nothing but next level value. Floor is nothing but only this value it's going to take or not. Okay, 7 by 2, exact division, 3 by 5, 3.5. Okay, exactly, it's like what, 3.5 or not, the answer. But if you come to the double division here, okay, 2 3 is a 6, the remainder is like 1. That's okay, fine. But here, the 3 is there, right? Okay, it's not take like exact division value. It's like what, floor value it's going to take. This one only can take it, 3.5. The floor value is nothing but, seal is nothing but 4. 3.1, the seal value is like 4. 3.9, the floor value is like what, 3. Floor is nothing but down value. Seal is nothing but next level value, you can say. 3.5, floor value is like what, 3. So that it always gives me the floor value only or not. Double division. Okay, and what is the difference between this one and this one? See here, the result also. If it is like a division, always gives me what? If it is like exact division also, it gives me the result in the, come on, in which format? Float, right? Yes or no? 2 4 is the 8, but the result is, see this, exactly division, or if not also, it is always gives me the result is like a floating value or not. But here it is always gives me what? Floor integer value it's going to give or not. Yes or no? Understood everyone? Everyone agreed? Division and double division, this one. Okay. What about star? Yeah, good. Any questions? This is like a 6. Okay, 2. What is this one? Anyone? Come on.
Like cube.
Yeah. It's a kind of what? Cube, right? Okay, see here. 1 asterisk 3 means it's like a multiplication. That's it. Okay, if you observe this one and this one, double star. Okay, the answer is like 8. Here answer is like 1. Why? Okay, it's a kind of mathematical operation. 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 3 times or not. 2 into 2 into 2. Yes or no? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Okay, here 1 cube. 1 into 1 into 1. It's like 1. Yes or no? Agreed? Okay, double slash and double star. Okay, na? You're okay? Okay, next one is like assignment operator. Okay, this one already you used multiple times. Okay, no need to discuss more about this one. Just assign a value to the variable. Then you can go with the assignment operator or not. The value can be anything. That's not a matter here. The value can be anything. Why? Because there is no type for the variable in Python. The value can be anything. You know, different data formats. Okay. Okay, then the next one. Come on, the next one. A relational, right? A relational. Can anyone tell me the relational operator, if we use, what is the return value it's going to give to us? if you use the relational operator in between some operands, what is the return value it's going to give to us?
Boolean.
It's always gives me the Boolean value or not. Yes, or most of the times, okay, we are going to use these relational operators for what purpose? To check the conditions, right? The condition true or the condition false. In that case, we are going to use these relational operators or not. Yes or no? Okay. Now, okay, 10 greater than 20. See this. The value is like what? False. This is like a predefined value in Python or not? Yes or no? Okay, same. It is always gives me the which value? It always gives me a Boolean value only or not. It always gives me the Boolean value only or not. Yes or no? Okay. Less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, two more are there. Can anyone? Equals, right? Is 10 is equals to 20? No, right? The next one, opposite. Come on. Not equals, right?
Not equal.
Same. Okay, these operators common for any programming language, but this one and this one, double slash and double star is there, right? That is specific to Python. Okay, now can I write like this? Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Okay, on which basis is going to take? Hmm? On which base it is going to return the value?
Alphabetic.
Here, Sachin greater than Dhoni. Okay, A greater than B. Can I go with the list also same like this? Okay, different values you can put it. One is like numbers. Okay, we can come to the discussion again. True, greater than, what happened? This is like valid or not? So no, syntactically valid or invalid? Syntactically valid. Next one, tell me. Come on. Can I write like this? 1, 2, 1, 2. It's like a list, right? Can I write like 1, 2? It is like valid or invalid? You can add like a relational operator in between list or not. Another one. Another one. Triple equals to there or not there in Python. In JavaScript, triple equals to there, but in Python, triple equals to there or not there. Observe here. Triple equals to there or not there. It is not there. It is like what? Invalid syntax or not? Valid syntax. It is like valid or invalid syntactically. Next. Next one. Next one. This is which format? The data format. What is my data format here? List. Next. Come on. Tuple. The next one. This is which format? List tuple. This is which format? Set, right? Set. Okay. You can use the relational operators with any kind of data or not. Okay, next data type is what? Next one is what?
Range.
Dict, right? Dict. Dict. Can I use the dict? Okay, we have a deep discussion in our actual. We are going to discuss like list and their methods, set and their methods. That time we are going to discuss something more about all this syntax and everything. But for now, our goal is like you can use the relational operators with any kind of data or not. With any kind of data or not. Yes or no? Okay, now come to the discussion here. Okay, Sachin greater than Dhoni. Okay, it gives me like what? True. It is like valid or invalid.
Valid.
For example, if I write like this, then what is the answer? It is not considered. Okay, A greater than B. A greater than B. If it is like an ASCII, then that time it should have to give like what? Okay, most of the times we are going to use like some methods to compare the strings. Okay, that's okay, fine. Okay, now can we check in the chat GPT? ASCII values it's going to take, right? What is my ASCII value for this particular one? 97. What is the ASCII value for the B? 98 or not? Okay, based on the ASCII value, it is going to compare. So A greater than B, the answer is like what? 97 greater than 98. So that it gives me like what? False, right? Yes or no? Now, can you go to entire string now? AB is greater than, yes. What is the answer? AB greater than AC. Next, AB is greater than AA. AB greater than AA. Now, whenever the first characters is like same, then the time it comes to the second one, dictionary. So B and C, B ASCII value and C ASCII value. B ASCII value is less than the C ASCII value or not. So BC. Okay, which one is like B less than C or not? But he said B greater than C. So the answer is like false. Here A and A both are like same, leave it. B and A, B ASCII value is greater than A ASCII value. That's the reason the value is like what? True or not. Whenever it comes to the string, okay, it is like compare the ASCII values. Based on the ASCII values, it's going to compare. Understood? Agreed, everyone? Come on. Okay, so the relational operators are like greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, equals, double equals, I mean, not equals to. Most of the times, where exactly we are going to use these relational operators? Can anyone tell me one example? In this case, we are going to use like relational operators. Where exactly we use? Where exactly we use? Most of the times in the conditional execution. In our flow controls, conditional execution is there, right? Based on the condition, I want to perform some operation, conditional execution. The next one, looping execution also, in the looping execution, in the while loop, if you observe the condition we are going to write or not, wherever the condition is required, okay, 99% we are going to use like what? Relational operators or not. It is not specific to Python. Okay, any programming language you can take it. Wherever you want to write the condition, then you can go with the relational operators or not. So for good, up here, okay. Okay, what is the next one? Let's go with the logical operator. Let's go with the logical operator. Okay. Can anyone answer this question? My x value 10. Okay. My y value 20. My y value 20. I'm going to write some code. X value 10 and y value equals to 20. Okay. What is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, first of all, if you observe here we used like one relational operator. Here we used like one relational operator. Okay, relational operator always gives me the value is like what? Boolean. So first you can compare this one. X equals to 10. Yes, true. So that this value is like true or not. And y equals to 20. Yes, this one also true. Okay, both values are like true. Okay, whenever the both values are like true, you added with what? Logical operator and what is my final output? My final output is like true or not. Yes or no. Okay, I'm going to write some statements. Finally, you can conclude one statement. Okay. Okay, I'm going to write, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Okay, na? Okay. Then. What's my output? What's my output? Dhoni. Okay. Now three statements are there. Now you can conclude one statement by seeing this one first. Here one expression is there. You can say like one statement. The expression is nothing but okay, left side and right side some value we are assigning. Then we can say like an expression. But here, okay, sometimes it's like an expression, but it's a statement. Okay, you can say like a statement, general. There has some statements are there. First statement result is what? True. Second statement also result is what? True. Whenever the two statements result, okay, is like a true, if you use like a AND logical operator, okay, that means true and true. Now a final output is like what? True or not. Everyone knows that one. If all the statements, the result is like true, the final outcome of that particular statement is like, okay, entire statement, final output is like true. All the statements, okay, this one and this one and another statement, all the statements, the result is like true, so the final outcome is like also true only or not. Yes or no? In between, if something is like false, then that time, see, I'm going to write like this: x equals to 10 and y equals to 20 and x equals to 30. What's my output? The first statement is like true, so that it is moved to the next expression. Okay. Now the last statement is like what? True or false? False. So that it gives me the output is like false. So my question is, whenever you use like a AND logical operator, when it go to the next level statement execution, that is the question. Anyone guess? Whenever you use like a AND logical operator, when it is moved to next level statement execution, when it is going to move forward, if my previous statement is true, then only it move forward. Now see the example. X equals to 10, statement true or false? X equals to 10, statement true or false?
True.
True. So that whenever the previous statement is like true, then only it move forward to the next level statement or not. So that it move forward to the next level statement. What is my next level statement?
Print.
Print Sachin. So print Sachin in Python, what it is going to do? Print the value or not. So that my Sachin printed or not. Yes, no. Okay. Now come to this one. Come to this one. So x equals to 20. True or false?
False.
X equals to 20. False. If you use like a logical operator, when it is moved to the next level statement execution, if my previous
The
statement
previous-
is like true, but here the previous statement true or false?
False.
False. It is not move forward, and it is going to return the value of the statement is what? X equals to 20. The value of the statement is what?
False.
False. That the reason it gives me false or not. Yes or no? So come to this one. X equals to 10. True, false? True. So that it is move forward to next level statement. Y equals 20. True, false?
True.
True. So that it is move forward to the next level. X equals 30. True, false?
False.
False. Okay. Is there any statements over there?
No.
No. If the statements are there also, it is move forward or not forward?
Not forward.
It's not go forward. Okay. Now if it is not move forward, the final, okay, the statement output only, always either true, false, final statement output only it is going to return. What is my final statement output? It is not move forward. Final statement output is what?
False.
False, right? Okay. So why I said like final statement output? See here. X equals to 10. True or false? Come on. True, false?
True.
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 So it's move forward. Y equals 20. True, false?
True.
True. Do we have any statements to go forward?
No.
No. What is my final statement result?
True.
True. So that it gives me what? True one. Yes or no? Okay. Now you can conclude. X equals 10. True, false? True. So move forward. What is this statement execution? Whenever you execute this statement, what is the value? Sachin. Sachin. The value of this particular statement is like Sachin. Okay. Okay. There is nothing is there to move forward here also. Just you can add like what? Come on. Sachin or not? Agreed? All are okay? Come on. About end. Okay or not? End logical operator always execute the next level statement when it is moved forward to the next level statement execution, whenever the previous statement is like true. Okay. Which value it's going to return? Which value it's going to return? The final statement, the final statement output, whatever it is, that value only it's going to give like a outcome or not. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me one example when you can go with the end? One scenario, tell me where exactly, hey, in this place you have to go with the logical operator and like that. Tell me. Sometimes in my if only one condition is there, that's okay. A greater than b, b greater than c, like that you can write it. Sometimes you have to check more than one condition. In that case, you should have to go with what?
And
You have to use like a logical operator and or not. Multiple conditions if you want to check. First condition satisfied, then only I want to go to the second condition, third condition, like this. If you want to go, then you can go with what? And or not. Agreed with me? Okay, can I write like this? What's my answer? What's my answer? Can I write like this? Is it gives us like expected output for us? Is it like gives me the expected output? Don't go with the symbol in this case. Okay. If you want to go with the logical operator, you should have to go with what? You should have to go with and or not. That keywords directly you can use it. Okay. Don't go with like arithmetic operator plus Operator is a symbol, but it is not applicable in some cases. Some are like what? Some are like what? Some are like keywords also we are going to use or not. Understood? But this particular case in JavaScript, some other programming languages is like valid syntax, but it's here in this case it's not like valid or not. Agreed? Shall we move to the or? Tell me when you can go with the or.
Either any one of the condition is true,
What's my output?
previous or the
What's my output? Is it valid syntax or invalid syntax? First tell me.
Invalid.
Well, now my x value is like 10. Okay, and my y value is like 20. Okay, those values not changed. My y value is like 20. I'm going to write like x equals to 10. Okay, or okay, print what is the value? Such.
Such.
Next, x equals to 15 or print such.
False.
Such.
Sachin.
False.
Okay, now by seeing these statements, tell me, by seeing the statements, conclude once. Whenever my first statement is like true, is it go to the next level statement?
No.
No, right? If my first statement is like true, is it go to the next level statement? Never. If my first statement is like true, it will never go to the next statement or not. See the difference. End always gives me what? Always it move forward when if my previous statement, my current statement is like true, then only it will move forward to the next level statement or not. If it is like an end, but or if my current statement is like true, is it move to the next statement or not? By seeing this one, tell me. Is it forward, go forward or not? Come on. X equals to 10, true or false? True, right? True, right? Okay. If it is like true, is it go to the next level statement? If it is really go to the next level statement, Sachin has to print. Is it like printed or not printed? Not printed. So that if my current statement is like true, okay, it is going to return the value from there itself. Okay, current statement value itself, it is going to return. Yes or no? That the reason here, the value is like what? True. Okay. Now here, x equals to 15. True, false? False. Whenever it is like false, it is go to the next level statement. So that my Sachin printed or not? Yes or no? What's my answer? What's my answer?
False.
Okay, this value x equals to 15 is like true, false? False. Whenever it is like true, then it is going to stop there itself. It is going to return the value. But here true or false? False. So that it move forward to the next one. What is my value?
False.
False. Okay. If it is like false, then it should move forward. But there is no statements, nothing is there. So what is my current statement value?
False.
What is my current statement value? That is false. Yes or no? Agreed? It is also gives me the current statement value only. The behavior is something different. And move forward when if my current statement is like true. Okay. Or when it is going to move forward if my current statement is like false. That's it. Got my point? Agreed with me? Come on. Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I have one small requirement. Is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Okay, what is my val? What is my val? Why Dhoni? Why Dhoni? None means, first tell me, value there or not there? What is none?
Not there.
Not there. Not there means what? It's like
It
true,
will go
false.
to next
False,
line.
right?
False.
Whenever it is like false, if it is like or, it is go to next level statement. What is my next level statement? Dhoni. Okay, which operator used? Equal operator. So that this value, final output is what? With the or, what is my final value? Dhoni, right? Yes or no? See, the Dhoni string assigned to what? Value. That the reason my value is like what? Dhoni or agree with me? Come on. Can I write like this? What's my output? Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? What's my output? Come on. Why? Why?
The statement is valid, it will print.
Yeah, why? Because simple, right? Kohli. Kohli there. Name there or not there?
There.
There. There means what? True, false?
True.
True. Whenever it's true, is my or go to the next level statement?
No.
No, right? So if it is not go to the next level statement, it's not considered at least these values. What is my value? Kohli. Kohli assigned to what?
Val.
Okay, val. So that my value is like what? Kohli or not?
Kohli.
Yes or no? So tell me one scenario when you can go with this approach. When you can go with the approach. Very simple. I want to create one variable. Sometimes my variable can get the data, may not. Okay, if you're not having the data, the default value I want to set it, that is like what? Some value. If the player is not there, my default player is like what? Dhoni or not? Yes or no? Got my point? Agreed? So for good. Any questions so far? And or any questions? And or the next one is what? Next one. Not, right? Not. Okay. You know about the not. Okay. For example, a value is like true. Okay. A value is like true. Just I need like opposite value for this particular one. Okay. Not a. Not a. Okay. But this particular symbol, it's going to work for some other programming languages. But here it is not work. If you want to not, we have a reserved word is there. What is that reserved word? Not only. Not a. What is that? Tell me. What is that? A value is like a true, not a. What is the value? False. Yes or no? Just opposite value. That's it. Most of the times, sometimes Boolean values are there. Just I want to make it like okay, not. Not condition. I want to write it sometimes based on your requirement. Just I want to write like some not condition. How we can write it? Don't put like exclamatory that particular symbol that is not valid in Python. If you want to not, okay, you have to go with not. This is the predefined keyword or not. Agree with me? Come on. Up here, okay, everyone. So the next one is like membership operator. Okay, tell me the membership operators. What we have? Membership operators. In, not in. So in only the keyword, not already one reserved word, in one reserved word. It's a combination. That's it. Okay, but in is the new one for us. So tell me, my requirement is very simple. My team squad, okay, it's like 11 members. In the 11 members, Sachin in or not. Okay, Sachin in that team or not, I want to check it. Sachin in that particular team or not, I want to check it. First, 11 members data is required or not. Can anyone tell me 11 members data in which format you want me to represent? Multiple values in a single variable. Then you can go with what?
List.
List, right? So can I go with the list? Players. How? Sachin, Dhoni, Kohli, like this. 11 players we can. Done. My players ready? These are my players. Okay. Our requirement is what? Sachin in that team or not, I want to check it. So how we can check? Sachin in that particular team or not, I want to check it. So how we can check? Come on. Simple. Sachin. Where do you want me to check? In players. Sachin in players. There or not there? Come on. There or not there? Yes. Okay. UV in the squad. There are not there? Not there. So that it's like false or not? Yes or no? UV or Pant not in the players list. True or false? Pant not in the players list. True or false?
True.
It's true, right? True, right? True, right? This is the way you can check. It is like a member in the list or not. It is the member in that particular list or not. If you want to check, you can go with what? Either in. Okay, not to in. It's like combination, right? Already not keyword there or not there. Yes. In already there or not there. Yes. It's a combination of what? Both. Not to in. Agreed? All are okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is not only specific to list. Most of we are going to go with the list. Strings also you can check it. Strings also you can check it. For example, I have some text. Hello. Sachin. Okay. In this particular text, Sachin is there or not there? Sachin in the text. There or not there? Come on. There, right? Dhoni in the text. Yes, no? Okay. Dhoni not in the text. Yes or no? Agreed. Come on. It is not only for the sequence data types. Okay, not only for the list set to like that. Okay, you can go with the strings also. In that particular, okay, group of strings. Okay, here, this is one string, this is one string. Okay, you can take like one sentence, one statement, you can take it. Inside this one particular string is there or not there. If you want to check, you can go with that. No issues. Agreed? Agreed? Huh?
So how to check in the files?
Which one?
For example, in DevOps, they will ask for the automation.
Mm-hmm.
So to check whether the single word or the multiple words.
Then the time you can
present
go
in-
with the regular expressions. We have a separate concept is there, okay, called as a regular expressions. By using the regular expressions, okay, you can check in the single line or multi-line the given string, whatever it is. We have a concept is there that is called as a regular expressions. By using these regular expressions, we can check it.
Okay.
One string is there or one character is there, a group of characters are there, all this stuff you can. Okay, it's like a single line if you want me to check, or multi-line you want me to check all.
Yeah, and to check the space in the system also.
Paging not. Okay, it's in this case, just you have to keep everything in a okay one variable. From that particular in that variable, the data is like multi-line also, no problem at all. There you can check it. In the page not. Okay, if you want to check a file is there, in the file contains multiple, for example PDF, you can take it. There contains multiple files, right? But that means multiple pages, I mean. Okay, there you want to check. That is your requirement.
Like, yeah,
Yeah.
single word, how many times it is present in a
Yeah.
directory?
In the in the directory. Okay, in that case, okay, we have like reader. Okay, some predefined things or their file readers. Okay, from the file read, by using that particular library, you can point into that particular file. In the file, what content is there, you can read it by using some of the reader methods. Okay, once you have the content, it is like what, normal string only, right? Entire content. In the, once it is come to the normal string, then the time you can use the expression, regular expressions, you can check it.
Okay.
The extra stuff is like, if it is like file, first of all you have to get the data from the file. That is one thing. Okay, once you have the data from the file, it's like a normal string format only, you can get it, the entire data. Okay, there you can use it. There the file management is there. Using that file management, you can open that particular file, you can read that file, you can read the data from the file. Okay, once you read it, okay, here once you have the file content, okay, here you have to write the logic is like, okay, how to check your particular string there or not there in that content, file content.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, okay, everyone. So the remaining stuff we'll see in tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.